हिंदोस्तां हमारा बुलबुले इसकी गुलसितां हमारा सारे जहां से
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Respected chief guest, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you are a very happy Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 74th Republic Day. This day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. Republic means that the people of country have the right to elect their political leaders for our country development. And as the citizen of the country, we are responsible for its development. Our country became free from British rule on 15 August 1947, but the Constitution came forth into 15 August 26 January 1950. So that day we celebrate every year as Republic Day. This is a day to remember the freedom fighters like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan and many more leaders who sacrificed their lives to freedom. So let us all take on us today to work for our country development. Thank you all of you for listening to me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.